Good morning and welcome on back to North Dakota today. Now you just watched Bianca and I solve a murder. Can we solve this art project? Good morning, John David Berdahl.
Good morning, everybody. What have I just walked into here?
Something suspicious.
I suppose so. This show has been great.
A lot of energy
Yes,
this morning.
absolutely. And it's lasagna day.
Woo!
Right?
Could it be better?
No.
I
no,
don't
it
think
can't.
so.
No.
And here's another episode of This Is How You Make It. So
Absolutely.
what are we doing today?
So today we're going to be working on an art project that's kind of like lasagna.
Oh,
itself. Yes.
I like that.
And so the canvas is going to be our sort of pan or our dish. And so I actually just rendered a piece for, what is it, the artists, Art Advocates exhibition going on for the FMVA, West Acres. And so the opening today is today. The reception for it is today.
Wow.
That's exciting.
Yes,
Yeah,
at West Acres.
congratulations.
Yes,
Exciting.
JCPenney Wing. And I'm going to be there from 3 to 8.
Awesome.
Demoing this sort of thing, but much larger than
Yes.
what we're working on today. And so it was just 3 colors that I
Okay.
picked. So
Ooh,
that's what
okay.
you're working with.
I
I got
see it.
3 colors for you. What types of colors are they?
Primary.
Yes. Yeah, why? Because academia just said they are.
I learned that though.
Yeah. Oh, you did? Okay, good. Oh, swell. Okay, and so, yeah, I've got some brushes set out for you. And so basically what you're going to do, the first layer is going to be this sort of blue.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, and we're working in a very non-representational way.
Okay.
Okay, and so basically you're going to be radiating out from the center, or the focal point in the center
Okay.
of your canvas. Okay, so go ahead and take a brush and then just nice, bold sort of brush
Like a
strokes.
firework?
I suppose so, yeah,
Baby.
you can
Okay.
put it that way. And try and paint not with your wrist, but with your shoulder,
Okay.
like that.
Oh.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Hold that
Oh.
up. Look at this.
You
and
guys,
I
I
know,
did it.
I know, it's just so, yay! I'm supposed to celebrate just anything that you do.
You
so
are because I'm not very good.
Just so you like me or whatever. But no, that's exactly what we're talking about.
Okay, wonderful.
Really just, yeah, there you go.
I
I'll let
try
you
to
keep
use
working.
my shoulder, so I try to listen to you.
Yes, and that's, come on, let's put a lot of, there we go.
Oh,
Yes,
more
a lot
blue.
of paint, yes. If it's not messy, right, it's not
art.
It's not art.
Oh, I love
Yes,
that.
I was just at the Children's Courtyard of Fargo. Whole bunch of young learners there. That went really, really well. We made sort of impossible helpers there, which is really neat. Basically, just little monsters.
Oh,
That
I
was
love that concept.
Yes, it was so much fun. And so I got the whole classroom totally to say, and I was like, if it's not messy, it's not art.
Art.
Yes.
Aw.